beautiful Austrian Alps, and we are here on the Hintertux Glacier, totally alone and enjoying some powder snow next to these amazing rocks. This was truly one of my favorite runs of the year, maybe actually for a long time. And as you can see here, I almost fell because it is powder snow, but there were a lot of different hard snow rocks beneath the powder snow, so I had to be careful. And it is quite an interesting area here next to these amazing rocks going and towering next over me. It was beautiful and I really enjoyed it. It is a pretty long run even. It goes all the way down this glacier, and as you can see there's actually no one around here because it is a bit of a sketchy route, right? So you are quite close to these rocks, which means that if there's a bit of snow falling down or even some rocks, right, so anything could go and fall down. But yeah, it's looking so majestic. So I really enjoyed this one, and actually I did it a couple of times just because it was so enjoyable. You can see how open this whole area is. There's so many space to take your turns. There's so much space to actually go pretty fast, and it is actually a pretty safe area to do the snowboarding, just because there's not too many rocks. Most of the times if you have a cliff or some kind of mountainous area, you will have a bit more rocks here, which you do have here. So obviously be careful and reduce the speed where you need to. But I must say this was one of my favorite runs. There's multiple of these dotted lines on the map actually, and a dotted road in Austria means that it is somewhat of a, let's say, insured route. So that means if you would have an accident there, you're somewhat insured. That's my understanding, because it's not a backcountry, because you're still following a route on a map that is officially published. But maybe it's on your own risk. I don't fully know the rules behind it, but the only thing I know is that I really enjoy it. And being alone in these mountains, enjoying the peace and the tranquility of these mountains without having all these tourists beneath you or above you or trying to ski you over or where you have to hide from. That's one of the best feelings in the world. And then you have this amazing powdery snow kicking back behind me, as you can see. It's really nice, and I provide or try to provide you a really nice angle here going behind me. At least that's what I enjoy to watch. And the sun was blazing, right? So another amazing aspect here is that we had a full open sky, the sun behind me. It was a bit later in the day. You will see that actually at some point we will go a bit more in the shade, which is fine, but it's a totally different view if you remove that sun and go in the shade. It's immediately a bit darker and it feels a bit different. But I really enjoy it. I really enjoy looking back at it and reliving these amazing experiences with this 360 camera, of course. And the best experience is always in the full and high definition of what you can watch it in. I do have a few other runs also in Zillertal Arena, which I also like very much. There's also plenty of backcountry routes that you can take there, which are pretty clearly indicated. It's very clear where you should go. You always end up next to an elevator, which is also the case here, which is, let's say, a very nice thing for people like me, which are in the end still not professional, right? So obviously I'm not professional, but I mean, we are doing this because we like it, because we do it maybe once or twice a year, if so, and we don't know all the rules, or we are not knowing all the best practices on safety. But obviously, if you can snowboard down a normal ski route, this route is potentially safer because there's no people to bother, as long as you stick within the specific areas. And here you can see there's also a bit of a, let's say, a ramp U format going on. You're going very close to these rocks. It's very picturesque actually. It feels very nice to be close to these rocks and experience it this way. I actually invited my friend to then come with me and do this route together, because yeah, and you always need to explore a bit. And he actually made a tumble, so he hit something with the front of his board, or he was leaning a bit too much forward, and he did a couple of pretty bad, to be honest, rolls to the front, which is not really that nice. And those rolls you will see here in a bit, so I hope you can enjoy that in a bit later or in another video. I actually don't know yet if I will include it in this video, but yeah, enjoy the video and I will leave you to it with the full sound of the snow, of the snow popping up, the wind, the mountains, and that's it. Have a nice day and enjoy the rest of this amazing video. And if I don't show you my friend rolling over, I will do it or show it in another video. So keep posted and have a look at my channel for other videos. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.